Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitensor price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting here on the daily chart, we are looking at 5 ways towards the upside. In the yellow count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing a wave 1 or a wave A in the orange scenario. At both case scenario, you would like to have 3 corrective waves for a wave 2 or a wave B, and then looking for higher prices is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 1 should be impulsive as we are looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, perfect wave 1. After this, you would like, of course, to repeat the scenario that we have here as 3 waves toward the downside, reaching around the 0.618 and the 0.786, of course, which are the perfect fib levels for a wave 2. Now, what we have finished, of course, so far is a wave A here in 3 waves toward the downside, where we are looking probably to 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, finishing an impulse, and probably we would like to have an ABC here, definitely, of course, to finish as this correction. So if we take a deeper look at it here, we are looking of 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finishing wave A, and then 3 waves for wave A, 3 waves for your wave B, and this is your wave C right now, which it should be impulsive actually, reaching around those fib level normally for a wave B in a zigzag. And then zigzag because you already have an impulse here, so you have an A, B, and a C. Probably your wave C should be the same amount, of course, taken from this correction, and of course hitting around the 0.618 as expected. Now the minimum at fib time required for a wave 2 is a 0.38 fib level. Therefore, of course, after having a 1, a 2, it is preferably at least to reach this time here after having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So probably it can be, of course, once you reach this time, you have reached, of course, the required time, at least the minimum requirement as a time, and also at the same time you have, of course, reached already the 0.38, which is the minimum requirement as level. Now, of course, the only thing is left is, of course, to have a wave C to complete the pattern as per Elliott wave. Now, if it hits the 0.5 fib level or the 0.618, it doesn't matter. Of course, after this wave, we have to start to think about moving towards the upside. Now, your signal will be 5 waves towards the upside again, 3 waves down, and then continuation towards the upside, and taking this high here as a confirmation for a bullish scenario and starting to look for higher prices. Now, your bearish scenario, of course, is by reaching lower than this, of course, and breaking the 0.78, taking the 0.886, means you will take the low and not just sit there and take the low, move towards the upside. It's gonna finish, of course, kind of like a 3-wave ABC towards the downside. So we're gonna dive a little bit deeper to this area, especially that you don't have any kind of supports in this region, so it's gonna be very easy, of course, to break it, and then finishing an ABC, and then start to look toward the upside as an A, B, and a C, of course, 3 corrective waves. And in that case scenario, of course, you would like to seek what is going on the 1-hour chart to see much better insights. So in the 1-hour chart, if we are in an ABC, of course, to finish this wave A, as you can see here, or this wave 2, as you can see here, let's put the label, by the way, it is already there, sorry. So we have an A, B, and a C, right? And your wave here as an ABC, this is an impulse, and we have 3 waves towards the upside. So this is definitely an A as 3 waves up, 3 waves down for a B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So basically, we are still looking for one more wave towards the upside. Yes, we are looking here for very extended wave 3. Now, your wave 5 might be very shallow. Be careful with it. With an extended wave 3, you might have a shallow wave 5. So probably you are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and finishing as this zigzag toward the upside for a wave B, and then, of course, start to move impulsively again towards the downside to finish this correction in the perfect time required, of course, for this scenario, and of course reaching in between the 0.5 or the 0.618. Basically lower than this, okay, we have to start to consider some scenarios as bearish, but to be reanalyzed, of course. The perfect signal will be 5 ways up, 3 ways down, and then continuation toward the upside. So that was it for TAO. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.